Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, titingnan natin what would a blue chip dividend portfolio look like. Let's get started. Huwag na natin patagalin to. Yung criteria natin dito is yung ialat nating capital is 1 million pesos. Then, 5 lang yung stocks na pipiliin natin. Siyempre, para hindi naman like overly diversified yung ating virtual portfolio. Yung dividends dapat is binigay nitong mga stocks na ito or ng mga companies na ito the past 5 years or more, no? Siyempre, mas maganda kung yung dividend history nila is lampas pa, no? Ng 5 years, if more than 5 years. Dapat profitable sila amidst the pandemic. Although yes, may mga nag-take ng hit, no? Sa kanilang revenue ng mga companies na ito, yung mga blue chip stocks na ito. And yung iba, nagtala ng losses. Like for example, yung JFC. Yung iba naman, like lumaki pa, no? Yung kanilang income, for example, is PLDT. Then yung iba is nag-take lang ng hit. Ilang percent lang, maliit lang. Yung iba malaki, but still kumikita pa rin. Anyway, yung last criteria is yung mga pinili kong stocks dito are the ones with the highest average dividend yield the past 5 years. Alright, so silipin natin yung una, which is Aboitiz Power Corporation. Yung stock code niya is AP. And yung PE ratio niya is 14.06. Yung dividend payments na binibigay nila are since 2008. 13 years straight na yan. Yung 2020 dividend is 1.18 pesos. Yung binigay niya na dividend yield is 4.68. Then this year medyo bumaba, 85 centavos na lang, 3.53% yung dividend yield. 5-year average is 3.95%. And then yung 5-year dividend payout ratio is 57.6. Yung next one naman is si Dmci. So Dmci Holdings Incorporated. Market price niya, last traded price is 5.76. PE ratio is 13.09. Then dividend payments since 2006, so 15 years straight na yan. 2020 dividend na binigay is 0.48. Then 8.33% yung kanilang dividend yield. Same lang this year, no? So same, almost same dividend yield lang din. Siyempre, nagbabago lang naman yan kapag ka nagpa-fluctuate yung prices pataas or pababa. Yung average dividend yield nila in the past 5 years is 6.95% and yung 5-year dividend payout ratio nila is 59%. Alright, let's move on to the third stock, which is Globe Telecom Incorporated. Yung stock code is GLO. Current market price, medyo nagdidip yung prices nito, nasa 1,838 per share. PE ratio is 13.61. Dividend payments since 2002. 19 years straight na yan. 2020 dividend is 107 pesos and 99 centavos. And yung 2020 dividend yield is 5.32%. Yung dividend yield niya for this year so far is 27 pesos. That will give you a dividend yield of 1.47%. So usually, quarterly sila nagbibigay. So that times 4 mo yan. Kung assuming na magbibigay sila ng 3 more dividends this year. Which I think they will do, no? 5-year average dividend yield is 5.05%. And then 5-year dividend payout ratio is 72.4. Next stock. Okay, hindi ko na siya nalagyan animation. That is my bad. But yeah. Next stock is si Manila Electric Company or Meralco. Stock code is MER. Current market price is 280.6. PE ratio is 19.38. In dividend payments since 2011 yan. So 10 years. Actually, yun lang yung nakita kong may pinatay akong like insect. Okay, patay na insect. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, nasa na ako. Yung data ng dividends nakita ko is like online lang, and then yung latest, like yung pinakawali or like pinakamalayo na date range na nakuha ko is since 2011, but yeah, it could like go further pa. But anyway, yeah, swabe naman, no? Solid. 10 years straight sila nagbibigay ng dividends as far as I know. And then yung 2020 dividend is 15.09. Dividend yield niyan is 5.38%. Then this year so far is 7 pesos and 82 centavos. Dividend yield niyan is 2.79%. 5-year average dividend yield is 5.75%, and then 5-year dividend payout ratio is 99.2%. So almost lahat ng kinikita nila is pinabalik lang nila sa kanilang mga stockholders. And then last one is si PLDT Incorporated. Stock code is TEL. Current market price at 1,251 pesos per share. PE ratio na 11.16. Dividend payment since 1989. Ito na yung pinakamatagal ng historical dividend sa PSE as far as I know. As far as yung research goes. Yeah, 32 years straight na yan. And then 2020 dividend is 77 pesos. Yung dividend yield niyan is 5.75%. And then yung 2021 dividend yield is around 40 pesos pa lang so far. Probably they'll give more dividends later this year. Yung yield niyan is 3.20%. Not really that bad na unang dividend payment pa lang nila yan. So kung maging 40 ulit din, maging 6.40%. Yung 5-year average dividend yield niya is 6.32%, and yung 5-year dividend payout ratio is 89.8%. Alright, so ito na. Gagawin na natin yung ating virtual portfolio. So ito, nilista ko lang lahat ng stocks, yung kanilang current market price, yung total dividends ng 2020, yung dividend yield ng 2020, total dividends ng 2021, and then same thing, dividend yield ng 2021, and then yung kanilang 5-year average dividend yield. So yeah, andyan si Aboitiz, si Dmci, Globe, Meralco, and PLDT. So mag-allocate tayo ng 1 million pesos for these 5 stocks. And then ayan, kita nyo naman yung dividend yield kapag ka in-average out nyo, kapag ka equal parts yung inalot yung capital for these 5 blue chip stocks. Yung maging dividend yield nyo ng 2020 is 6.13%, which is not really that bad. Kung isipin mo, 60,000 pesos yan sa 1 million. And then yung total dividends naman currently, so far pa lang to, kasi yung iba magbibigay pa ng dividends later this year, yung iba quarterly nagbibigay. And then, yung dividend yield for 2021 currently is at 3.86% na agad. So, that could reach 6% then or even more. And then yung 5-year average dividend yield for all of these stocks is 5.60%. So yeah, that is above average. And then ito na. So yung total capital natin is 1 million. And then may natira lang na 1,153 pesos kasi iba't iba ng price ranges itong mga stocks na ito. So like hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin, oy gusto ko 1 million. So, 5 stocks. Lahat yan 200k. Hindi naman natin pwedeng isakto yun. Kasi merong mga SEC fees, merong taxes, merong VAT, merong cut, merong commission si BPI Trade or kung ano mang broker yung gamit nyo. So, hindi pwedeng sakto lang. But yeah, anyway, nag-allocate ako 200k yung budget for each of these stocks. So, kay Aboitiz, naka 8,200 shares tayo. Yung net niyan is around 197,000 pesos. Kay Dmci, 34,600 shares, 199,000 pesos yan. Kay Globe, medyo over, so 202,000 pesos, 110 shares lang yan since medyo pricey yung stock ni Globe. So around 1,800 yan per share. Yung Meralco is 680 shares yung nakuha natin. So, around 191,000 pesos. And then, lastly, kay PLDT, 165 shares yung kinuha natin. And then, 207,000 pesos. And, syempre, pwede nyo namang i-adjust yung volume or yung weight nung capital nyo for each of these stocks. Depende dun sa yield na binibigay nila. So, kung gusto mo, diba, mas mataas kasi magbigay historically si Dmci compared kay, for example, kay AP. So, pwede mo sabihin na, okay, kay AP 100k lang i-allot ko. And then, yung extra 100k is i-allot ko naman kay Dmci. So it's really up to you, no, kung ano yung gusto mong gawin dun sa 1 million mo. And ano pa ba? Yan. Silipin naman natin yung dividends na binigay nila ng 2020. So around 61,100 yung binigay nila nung 2020. So lahat yan is nabayaran na nila. And then yung yield na ibibigay niyan sa'yo is 6.12%. So yeah, that is a really good number. And then so far, actually hindi pa nga 1 million yan. No? So nasa 998,000 lang yung ating allotted capital. And so far, 2021, nasa 38,400 na yung binigay na dividends for these stocks virtually. Kung ganito yung portfolio mo start ng 2021. So yung yield niyan is around 3.85% currently so far. And yeah, that might increase pa kapag ka nagbigay ng second dividend si PLDT. Si Meralco, I think dalawa pa yung pwede niya ibigay or pwedeng isa lang or syempre pwedeng wala, but yeah, that really depends on them. And then kay Globe, usually talaga 3 pa yung makukuha nyo this year kasi quarterly sila nagbibigay usually ng dividends. So yun, yung may pinakamataas na yield this year is currently si DMC, 8.31%. So medyo mataas, no? So yun, pwede nyo ngang dagdagan ng weight or ng volume si DMC kung gusto nyo. Pero syempre, nag-ex-date na siya. Wait, kailan nga ba? I think bukas ba? So yeah. Hindi na kayo makapagdagdag. But in the coming years, I think kaya naman sustain ni DMC. Although nag-take ng hit yung kanilang income, no? Nung 2020. So I'm not sure kung makaka-recover sila or like mare-retain lang nilang earnings for this year. Comparing it to last year. But hopefully, yes, mag-increase pa yung income nila. Para yung mga stockholders, yung mga nag-hold kay DMC, ay mabigyan pa ng mas malaking dividends. And yeah, anyway, this concludes na itong ating episode, and I hope this helped. I hope na this gave you an idea kung mag-invest ba kayo sa mga blue chip stocks, and I hope na na-enlighten kayo kung ano yung kayang gawin ng pera nyo, ng capital nyo sa stock market. And these blue chip stocks are like, it's sort of a safe-ish investments compared to like going for other stocks na hindi listed sa PSEi, sa index ng ating local stock market. Kasi syempre, ang basehan naman para mapunta ka or malist ka dun sa PSEi is yung company image or company reputation as well as the market capitalization. So hindi mo masasabi na this company will go out of business tomorrow. That is highly unlikely. Siguro yung unang mangyayari is ma-delist sila or matatanggal sila sa PSEi, sa index. And then eventually kapag like nag-snowball, no? Like yung problem sila or like utang na hindi mabayaran or hindi sila makarecover sa sales because of the pandemic, because of COVID, then yun yung parang domino effect or parang chain of events na mangyayari. If ever man mangyari yun, but that is highly unlikely. So yeah, let me know sa comment section down below kung may mga questions kayo and kung interested kayo na mag-build ng ganitong klaseng portfolio. So silipin natin yung sources for today's episode. Andyan si PSE Edge, BPI Trade, a photo from Unsplash, and Jiffy. Lahat ng mga links yan is matatagpuan sa description sa baba. And now before we end, as promised, meron tayong highlighted comment. For today, ito ay galing kay Christian Contacto. So sabi niya, good evening po sir. Ako po ito ulit. Regarding po dun sa Wonka Cash, wala na po. Buti na lang talaga nag-stop ako sa pag-invite simula nung nag-ask ako sa'yo. Yung website po wala na rin as well as the Facebook page. Anyway, maraming salamat po. I'll be careful next time kaya ito, nood muna ako ng mga videos nyo para matuto ng tama. Thank you po Kuya Eman. Yeah, you're welcome Christian, and thank you sa pag-comment nito sa ating community. And yun, ito kasing mga parang investment scams na ito katulad ng Wonka Cash. Laging pinapromise sila sa inyo is sobrang bilis nyong kikita sa kanila. Like, dodoblehin yung pera nyo in days, in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks. So that is too good to be true. So siguro pwede naman kayong mag-try, no? Pero huwag kayong mag-all in. And syempre, like for example, kung nag-i-invite kayo ng kapamilya nyo or like ng friends nyo, I think don't do that. Kasi, di ba, parang madadamay pa sila, no, dun sa papasukin mo na hindi ka naman sigurado kung legit ba or hindi. You can just try it out for yourself and then, be happy if like you make money out of it, but most likely hindi yun mangyayari. Pero pagka nauna kasi dito sa mga pyramiding scam na ito or like Ponzi scam na ito, pag nauna ka, usually kikita ka talaga kasi syempre nagkakaroon ng traction eh. So kung nauna ka na nag-invest, then most likely mas marami pang mag-i-invest sa baba, which is not ideal. Kasi pinagkakitaan mo yung parang losses ng ibang tao. But yeah, anyway, for me, I won't really try any Ponzi scheme. I won't invest in these type of companies or investment vehicles kasi I'm confident na mas okay mag-invest sa stocks, and I'm confident kasi kumita na ako sa stocks. And I know, yes, grind siya, long game siya, hindi siya mabilisan. But I think mas worth it yun kasi alam mong pinagtrabahuhan mo, hindi like, minagic lang yung pera mo, na doble na. So yeah, keep learning lang, and I'm really glad na natuto ka, and I'm really glad that you are willing to learn the right way of investing. So yun guys, if gusto nyo ma-feature yung comments nyo dito sa ating mga episodes, comment lang kayo palagi dyan sa baba. Anyway, end na natin yung episode here guys. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if umabot kayo at the end of this episode, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Huwag nyo kalimutan bigyan ng thumbs up itong video na to kung natripan nyo, and share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo and sa inyong family. And if bago ka sa channel ko, click mo na yung subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday and Friday. Sometimes meron pang Wednesday. And yung channel memberships natin is active na, so click mo lang yung second link dyan sa description if interested ka. Thanks again for watching and listening everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.